To access the gear behind here, you have to take this panel off. We're going to replace this, we're going to take this fan off also. And so also there's a bearing in here, and to take this back panel off, this has to come off. So we're going to take this off and then take the fan off. Alright, so once those are all off, sometimes it gets a bit sticky. That one came off nice and easy. The bearing is behind this nut and bolt here. Sometimes the bearing gets noised and needs to be replaced. Also, to get the drum off, we have to take this bearing out. So there's a spring behind here, be careful. You want to hold on to it all as you take off this last screw. Otherwise that'll disappear like that. There's the spring there, so be careful when you pull that one out. This is a 10 mil. No, 13. What is this one? 10? 10. And there's the bearing. This one's nice and quiet. If it's loud and noisy, you'll hear it.